It's Friday. Time to roll on, get up out of here. But we got best new lights now. Boy, this is all right there. Come on with it. We working in a fish aquarium now. Yep. Fish aquarium. So I put the blue lights on the bottom of it. It didn't turn out like I wanted. They were cheap. I went cheap. Why? I don't know. So look here. We got a choice. We can go. I got another set of these screwdrivers. Here it works. Another probably don't work. So we're gonna go with a different set. These here are these other ones. Apparently, they probably ain't plugged in good or something. I don't know. But we're gonna go with them on the bottom. I think them will be better. I'm gonna take these home, work on these. But these will look better across the bottom, I think. And we'll get a way to put them up. You know, some shipping tape or something. We'll get them on there. But anyway, that's our project, and I'll work on these here, make them come on. If not, we'll do something with them. But it's Friday, and we're headed to the 125 small scale shop. We're gonna go over there this weekend, and we've got an upgrade on it. You'll see the upgrade, and I think you'll like it. It's a small upgrade, but come check it out. It's over there on the Bubba's model building page, and see what you think about it. I think it'd be all right. It's gonna be good. It's always good. We're gonna do it that way because that's just something we want to do. So hey, y'all hang on. We're gonna have us a good trip to the house. So check out this trip home. Let's see what we can run across tonight. Because it's Friday, so something should be going on out there. Actually, it's Thursday night. It's our Friday. It'd be Friday before you see this video, though. Come on. All right. Let's have a good one. So my shutdown time on things, I usually go here, then I double check everything, make sure there's somebody to take with me or you know, whatever. Most of the time I don't. I got my alcohol. We always spray down with alcohol, you know, always. Come on with it. Always, you know. But, wrong with me. Anyway, but I don't think, take these with me so I can put them in my hat for next week. And being everybody's gone, I'm gonna get out of here myself. As we shut down and be ready to rock and roll. I don't think I need anything over the weekend. I think I got everything I need. We always forget, you know. One thing you better remember, get these off, your red lock. They're off, you're good to go. Blue lock, get your other lock on. Rock and roll, but it's Friday, you know. I tell you, I don't know if I got any at the house or not, but let's see, wait a minute. You know what? I had a road back. Tell me where everything is in this box. But I took some coffee home with me. I might need some coffee in there. Yeah, I got one open right here. We'll just take this one right here. That's what we'll do. Gotta have that coffee every once in a while. Come on. But we are good to go. We're good. We are good for gold. I need those electric ones. Just boop, boop, you know, little locks like that. Just boop, boop. You know what I'm talking about? Keys. And we are ready to rock and roll. So hey, let's get on that bandwagon and head to the house. Come on with it. I'll see y'all in next time I see you, be a small scale shop. Next time you hear from me, be on the way home in a few minutes. See you then.